Every man wants to understand women, but few ever do. Not because women are complicated, but because men stop observing. You see, women are emotional creatures, not logical machines. And behind every confident smile or sassy attitude, there are emotional triggers, soft spots, that only a man with self-control and awareness can touch. Today, I'll reveal the top 7 female weaknesses every man must know. If you understand these, you'll stop chasing women and start attracting them naturally. 1. Attention and presence. The first weakness is attention, not the desperate kind, but the powerful kind that makes her feel seen. When you give a woman your focused presence, you're feeding one of her deepest emotional needs. But here's the secret. Too much attention, and she loses respect. Too little, and she feels invisible. The balance is power. Give your attention like it's expensive, because it is. 2. Emotional intelligence. The second weakness is emotional intelligence. Most men hear, only a few listen. She's drawn to the man who understands her emotions without judgment, who knows when to comfort her and when to challenge her. Women open up emotionally to men who make them feel safe. Be that man, calm, grounded, and emotionally aware. 3. Confidence and mystery. The third weakness, confidence mixed with mystery. Confidence shows you're sure of yourself. Mystery keeps her imagination working overtime. You don't have to explain every move or overshare your life. Keep a part of yourself private, let her wonder. Curiosity is attraction fuel. Remember, she can't chase what she fully understands. 4. Humor and playfulness. Her fourth weakness is humor. Not clown energy, but the kind of playfulness that makes her forget the world. A man who can make her laugh lowers her defenses instantly. It's not about cracking jokes. It's about your vibe. Relaxed, witty, effortless. Make her laugh without trying too hard, and she'll start associating you with happiness. 5. Ambition and purpose. Number 5 is ambition. Every woman wants to feel she's with a man going somewhere. Not a talker, a doer. When she sees your purpose, she feels safe enough to relax into her feminine side. Your drive gives her confidence in the future. And in her eyes, purpose equals power. 6. Protection and stability. The sixth weakness is protection. Not just physical, emotional protection too. She wants to know she's safe around you. That your presence equals peace, not chaos. Be the man whose energy says, "No matter what happens, I've got this." That calm masculine energy. It melts every woman's guard. 7. Genuine affection. And finally, her greatest weakness. Genuine affection. Not money, not gifts, but the way you touch her back when you walk past. The way you remember little details. The way you speak to her with warmth and respect. Real affection can't be faked. And when she feels it, she'll give you loyalty most men can only dream of. When you master these 7 weaknesses, you don't chase validation, you embody value. You'll notice women start to respect your silence, respond to your energy, and fight for your attention instead of ignoring it. Remember, attraction isn't about tricks. It's about understanding psychology. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Intimate Synergy with Ken, where we teach men how to master attraction, self-control, and purpose. See you in the next one, King.